Once you've created a Shotcut project, the next thing you're going to need to do is add video files to the project. To do this, you go up to the Open File button and navigate to where you have your video files stored. In this case, I have them stored in my video folder. And you select a video file and click Open. It will immediately begin playing in the monitor. I'm just going to pause this. And then, at this point, I could drag this file right down to the timeline and begin editing. But if you think you may perhaps drag it down to the timeline several times, you may take one part and then use another part later on in the video, it's easier to actually store the video file in a playlist so that you don't have to go back and continually keep opening the file to access it. So to do this, you want to make sure you have your playlist tab selected. So if you're on Properties, make sure you're on the Playlist tab here. Make sure the video file is already open in the monitor, and then just click the plus button, and then it'll be saved in this playlist, and you can access it directly from here rather than having to go back and keep clicking the Open File button. So again, to do this, you want to click Open File, you want to select a video, click Open. It's going to open in the monitor, and then you're just going to go ahead, click the plus button to add it to the playlist. Now, if we do the Open File and I select this file, and then I hold down the Control key on a PC or a Command key on a Mac, and so I have two files selected, and then I click Open, you'll notice that they are automatically added to the playlist.